this is Hamid Khan here from Food Mahir and Gardening Ideas. So it's been almost 1 month since we planted these small stems to propagate our Coleus. I'll add the link to the description of this video where I had uploaded the video for the propagation, initial propagation. So these were the pots that we had it, and we can see it seems that now they have taken the roots quite well. So let's see if the roots are formed. So you can see here, the roots have been formed very well. And if you remember, and if you visit the link that I have shared in the description, you will see that these were just the tiny bits of stems with no roots. So root formation is excellent. I will plant it one over here, and so that it gets a proper pot to grow. So I had this much size of Coleus initially. So you can see now I have all this Coleus from one small little plant that I bought from a nursery a year and a half ago. So I've started loving Coleus. I have Coleus everywhere in my garden, in my backyard, in my front yard. Let's look at the vibrant colors of these leaves here. Fantastic. So the root formation is excellent. I had potted these initially to propagate, and there were no holes for drainage. So what I did is I just kept it damp, and I just protected it against a very heavy rain or a very direct sun. It was in a partly shade areas for the last 28 days. And although it wasn't a very good idea to put it without a drain, but since it was just a propagation stage, they were in controlled conditions. So I just put it under my planter boxes, raised gardens. And now they have formed the roots very well. I'm going to plant each and every Coleus in a different pot, and I'll give some of these to my friends. So Coleus plants are not a very forgiving plant. It needs to be protected against extreme heat and extreme weathering conditions. Other thing that what I do normally to keep my Coleus vibrant and alive on almost all the seasons is to sprinkle water in from time to time. So because the leaves also get thirsty, and the best way to keep them lively and full of color is to also keep on sprinkling some water. I mean, it could be a mist of water. So they don't like direct sun. They have to be in a partly shaded area. I just give them organic fertilizer, a liquid organic fertilizer. That works very well for my Coleus. I don't use very harsh chemicals and fertilizers. Just organic liquid fertilizer, and I keep it quite low in dosage and in its concentration. So if you haven't tried the propagation for Coleus, please do try. It's a last month for spring and an excellent time to do the propagation for the Coleus plants. This is part 3 of my how to grow and propagate Coleus plants. See you again in my next video. Keep watching my videos at Food, Mahir and Gardening Ideas.